Page 43, Claims Adjusting Practices. 1.19, Introduction. Right there. The principles of utmost good faith on which an insurance contract is based places serious responsibilities on the claims adjuster in regard to conduct, work habits, and specific claims handling activities. The remainder of this chapter concerns laws pertaining to claims adjusters, definitions of certain terms relative to claims adjusting, the adjuster's major responsibilities and activities, and common claims adjusting procedures. 1.20 Duties and functions of the insurance department. Highlighted. The function of the Department of Financial Services is primarily a supervisory one. Examining the qualification of insurance companies seeking to do business in the state and admitting such companies to the state when they have met the necessary qualifications. After such companies have been licensed to do business in the state, their financial condition is examined periodically by the Department of Financial Services. Next highlighted, the Department of Financial Services has a further responsibility in the area of insurance policy forms, rules, and rates. The majority of forms must be approved before use. The company rules and rates are reviewed from time to time to ensure compliance with various provisions of Florida law. The Department of Financial Services does not make rating and underwriting rules. This is the duty of the various rating bureaus and the individual companies which collect statistics and prepare classifications. Accordingly, rating and underwriting questions should be referred directly to the company. License supervises adjusters. License supervises adjusters. Okay. One of the primary responsibilities of the Department of Financial Services is to approve the issuance of licenses to agents, customer representatives, and claims adjusters after having satisfied itself with the applicant is, in good faith, qualified to write in service or adjust claims on property and casualty insurance. The Department of Financial Services has an equally important responsibility in the supervision of claims activities of the various companies so that the policyholder may be assured of fair treatment and the prompt settlement in the event of a loss under a policy. That's the end of page 43. The Department of Financial Services has a duty to investigate charges of unethical conduct and to take judicious action in such cases in order to ensure that a spirit of harmony will prevail among all segments of the industry. Page 44, 1.21 Definitions. Right there, highlighted claims. Highlighted, a claim is the assertion of an alleged legal right against an insurer, which carries with it a demand for approximate relief. A first-party claim is a claim by a policyholder, insured, or a beneficiary directly against the insurer, which issued the contract. Examples of first-party coverages include the dwelling policy or auto physical damage. A third-party claim is one by a third person against the insured under a policy of liability insurance. An example of third-party coverage is a commercial general liability policy. Policies such as homeowners, personal auto, and business owners contain both first and third-party coverage. Highlighted, claims adjuster. Highlighted again, a claims adjuster is one who is involved in the investigation, adjustment, negotiation, and or trial preparations of claims arising under insurance policies. A claims adjuster is also referred to as a claims auditor. Adjusting, also highlighted. Adjusting refers to the process of disposing of an insurance claim. In property insurance, when negotiations result in an agreement fixing the amount, if any, to be paid by each insurer, the claimant, insured, and the insurers are said to have reached an adjustment. In liability insurance, when negotiations between the third-party claimant and the insurer, usually acting as a representative of the insured, results in a denial, compromise payment, or full payment for proven damages, there is an adjustment, the end result of the adjusting process. The fundamental difference between property insurance claims adjusting and liability insurance claims adjusting is the relative degree of legalism, legalism, in parentheses, involved in the adjusting process. Whereas the adjustment of claims under liability insurance is frequently legalistic, the atmosphere of most adjustments under property insurance contracts is comparable to that of any business transaction of similar importance. Adjustment, highlighted, and also highlighted the term adjustment, in parentheses, suggests that the adjusting process has been completed. Adjustment thus refers to the ultimate disposition of a claim in both property and liability insurance. Often the term settlement is used in place of adjustment, where the disposition of a claim involves the payment of a sum of money to the insured or third-party claimant. Types of adjustments, or types of adjusters. There are various titles for claims adjusters: employee or staff adjusters, independent adjusters, bureau adjusters, public adjusters, and fee adjusters. A public adjuster represents the public. Oh my God, why? Hello? Hello? Hey, hold on a second.